Oh my god.
कल हमारी मॉडल्स को पोस्ट करना था while they were suspended in the air, और आज जजेस रनवे के बाद देखेंगे कि किसने अपना डर अपनी पिक्चर्स में नहीं दिखने दिया। पर उस टेंशन फिल्ड जजिंग से पहले हम दे रहे हैं अपनी मॉडल्स को कुछ टाइम अनवाइंड करने के लिए।
This is very scary. I can't stand.
This is too high.
Well, the cheat code I use to look my best is at times we all have those days when our stomach looks a little bloated than usual. So whenever I have such days, I wear a loose outfit, a very fashionable loose outfit to cover it.
So the quick fix which I do to look myself better, that is I usually tie my hair and wear a shorts and a t-shirt.
The things I use to look best is a moisture cake which I use on my hair. So whenever I wash my hair, I add that to my hair, and that suddenly gives a bright thing on my. I have a moisture feeling on my hair and very smooth, very silky hair. Secondly, what I use is a shimmer on my face, on my cheekbones, which I use to highlight. So this is the quickest thing which I do to look like better. And I always try to wear something skin fitted that gives my body type good shape and I look good.
Usually prefer putting lots of mascara in my eyes and a liner, that too in a winged way. So yeah, that makes me look a little better.
I don't have any cheat code as such, but I dress like I'm the most fashionable person, otherwise I look like a druggie. So I don't mind going out like this or that, but yeah, that's what I think. Just be comfortable however you are. Guys, let's not forget, we really had a difficult task today.
Very difficult. I don't think so that we all have done so well. What do you think, guys?
I had fun. It was like really good for me because normally I don't get scared of heights and all. So it was good. What about you guys?
Okay,
We didn't had so much fun there.
What about Reena? What about Reena? You are like
I heard Reena shouting "Mummy, Papa."
Yeah,
I heard you.
really bad. So how was your experience, Reena?
Well, my experience was very scary over there. I actually thought of my mom, dad for a second. And I was the only one who was crying there probably.
Yeah, you're
I couldn't
precious.
pose. I couldn't pose, so it was very bad for me. But I saw Medika performing well.
Yeah, for 4 minutes or 5 minutes starting was really bad. I was the first one to do the dance.
Because you didn't ask for it.
Because I said I didn't want to do it first. When I was standing, that time was scary. So the moment they asked me to sit, the interval time between that standing and sitting was horrible.
Yeah.
It was wobbling
Yeah,
like so much, I can't tell you.
Yeah.
And but somehow, by God's grace, I
did
did
it
manage.
well.
So what do you think, Radhika? How was yours?
This was my worst performance on Kingfisher Supermodels. I hated it. I know. I think I'll be going home this week.
Same here.
I don't have very positive vibes about the task.
Yeah. Okay, girls. These unwind sessions are great, but don't we have to go to the runway now?
Yes,
we have to get ready.
Of course, we have to.
Fame, fame, fame flowing through my veins, and I won't stop till everyone knows my name. Party hard, never stop like a disease. Takes me over till I fall on my knees. I'm a well-trained, maintained beauty queen. The rumor on the street is that I'm making it big. Boom, 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 I'm gonna blow it away. On the big screen, always same birds of the day. I've got this blaze, blaze, blazing out in my soul. This romance blowing out of control.
evening and welcome back to the Kingfisher runway. We're down to just 5 girls now and all of them soared in yesterday's aerial task. But Kingfisher supermodel to sirf ek ladki hi ban sakti hai. So who will be that girl who elevated the game and which one of them is going to crash out of the competition? इस बहुत ही मुश्किल डिसीजन को लेने में मेरा साथ देंगे हमारी resident judge मोहन नीलकंठन. And joining us on the judges table, we have designing duo Shivan and Naresh who dressed our gorgeous girls in their splendid clothes tonight. Well, thanks guys. We're very, very excited to have you on board.
Thank you. You look amazing.
Thank you. But you know, you guys have been here on the show before and now you're coming back for another season. Tell me, what are you expecting from the girls?
We're looking forward to a beautiful face. Somebody who has a great amount of stage presence. I think that's what you expect out of a supermodel and that's what we're looking for.
Well, excellent. So that's how a Kingfisher model is summed up. So are you excited to see the girls?
Absolutely, yes.
So am I. So I'm going to come join all 3 of you over there while the girls take over this Kingfisher runway.
Girl, you took my heart. You're the other half of me. Girl, you took my heart. First met in London town, about a year ago on a weekend out. Went to a party and linked friends. Some were brand new and some were from the ends. And a good friend of mine got us talking. Before long outside we were walking, chilling by the grill. We shared a drink or two, got our number still. Then part 2, to be continued. We were vibing, got her in the mood. She was smiling, looking so pretty, so enticing. Telepathic, same pace, so lightning. Saying on the right things. Man, I struck gold, oh what a finding. Top of the list for the wife thing. Man, I struck gold, oh what a finding. Top of the list for the wife thing. You're the other half of me. I need to lock this down. Girl, you took my heart.
Girls, I have to say you look absolutely stunning in these gorgeous swimsuits by Shivan and Naresh. And it's just amazing because, you know, most of the time I'm complimenting them and I never have the designer sitting right next to us. And I'm really excited to see the photographs. They had a really tough task.
Okay.
It was an aerial task and they had to look all breezy and beautiful and vintage. It'll just be better if you just call our first supermodel and see the photographs.
Absolutely.
Medika.
Good evening, judges.
Good evening. Firstly, I have to tell you the girls were blindfolded. A couple of them had fear of heights. Medika being the one girl who wanted to go right at the end.
Okay.
But we pushed her into the task right at the beginning. Intention is we give you tasks that make you look great, but at the same time, that push you.
You were scared, weren't you?
I was literally shivering when I just sat on this for like 4-5 minutes.
From your body language, you know, you're sitting like a scared little schoolgirl, I'm sorry to say, isn't she?
I personally think it's very dainty, it's very beautiful, it's very like princess who's sitting on her throne. What do you think, Shivan?
I think she does look dainty and very princess-like on her throne.
I actually agree with Mohan. She, of course, has made herself comfortable up there, but there is a sense of restraint and a sense of forced, comfortable sitting position that I see. I think it could be a lot more relaxed. I mean, I'm sure she's given her best shot considering she's scared of heights.
Yeah, well, 2 yeses and 2 nos. It's not so bad. So, yeah. Good luck, Medika.
Thank you so much.
Can we have our next girl, please? Radhika. Okay, fearless Radhika, you're just never nervous about anything. Did you have fun up there?
No. I'm nervous for the first time today.
Why are you nervous today?
I know I didn't do well. So I had planned on doing a lot of poses, but once I got up there, I had to stand and do everything. So it was scary. Like when I tried to sit, the ring kept wobbling and I thought I'd fall.
You have to just strategize in your head before you go up there and understand. If you'd started with just sitting and then gone up, maybe things would have been different. Let's take a look at the pictures.
I think being restrained is working for you here. There is a sense of poise. I see a good pose. I do see a bit of confidence.
It all boils down to images. I feel it's working here.
Yeah.
I am sorry to disagree with you boys. I just feel it is restrained and she could have done much more.
And you know, I have to agree with you, Mohan, because I saw you there and I saw you getting stuck at a point, Radhika, and that's not a good thing, you know. Radhika, you want to say something?
I kept thinking like, why am I not able to do this? Do something, Radhika, please. So I just stuck to one position and I'm really not happy about it. I mean, I like the body, but not the face.
All right, you just summed it up for us. Thank you, Radhika. If this is the weakest picture in the competition, should we keep you in the competition just because you tried?
Well, I'll definitely try from next time.
Well, if there is a next time.